Which of the following is true? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, radiometric dating of meteorites and rocks on a geologically active planet. The second paragraph mentions that we never find rocks on Earth that go back to 4.5 billion years, and that is because the Earth is a very dynamic place. Also, the third paragraph mentions that the age of 4.5 billion years is obtained from radiometric dating of meteorites. So it can be inferred that the dating of meteorites gives the date of 4.5 billion years old, and the dating of rocks on Earth, which is a geologically active planet, gives a much younger date. So it is incorrect to state that both the dates would be similar. Another way to look at this answer choice is that the third paragraph mentions that meteorites are primordial rocks and have avoided the geological process. So if meteorites have avoided any recycling of rocks because of geological processes, then the dates of meteorites are going to be older than that of rocks on the planet. So they cannot be similar dates. Either way, this answer choice is incorrect. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, rocks on a planet and rocks on the planet's satellite. The second paragraph mentions that moon rocks have relatively old radiometric dates as compared to Earth rocks. So it can be established that a planet and its satellite, that is Earth and the moon, can have different dates. So it is incorrect to state that these rocks have similar dates. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, radiometric dating of rocks on a planet and of meteorites fallen on the planet. The third paragraph mentions that meteorites have not undergone any geological process. So meteorites are going to give older dates than the rocks on a planet. So it is incorrect to state that the dates would be similar. Please note that answer choice C and answer choice A are very similar, just that they are differently worded. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, dates on meteorites would be younger than the dates on geologically active planet. The third paragraph mentions that meteorites avoid geological processes and hence they are going to give dates that are older than the dates and not younger than the dates that geologically active planet gives. So this answer choice directly opposes the passage. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, dating of meteoroids would reveal older dates than the dating on rocks on a geologically active planet. Yes, that is what is implied in the passage. The passage says that meteoroids do not undergo any geological processes and hence their dates are not reset, whereas rocks on geologically active planets undergo recycling and their dates are reset frequently. So it can be inferred that meteorites would give older dates than the dates given by rocks on a geologically active planet. E is the correct answer.